we want to look at what we mean by demand schedule and demand curve. Like we said, that demand schedule is a tabulation of price and quantity demanded, which we are going to use to draw our demand curve. If you look at this, we use yam in 2 bags and price. And our price, we use 100 naira, 200, 300, 400, 500. And as the price increases, you notice that demand continues to decrease. As the price increases, demand will decrease. Now, with this, we'll go over to our demand curve. Our demand curve, we said that demand curve slows downward from left to right. This is the first price we have. This is 100 naira. We have 200 naira, 300 naira, 400 naira, 500 naira. And the quantity demanded in the horizontal line. Now, whenever you finish drawing a demand curve, you have to link it for it to become a demand curve. The demand curve, we say, it slows from left to right, from downward from left to right. And this is a typical example of demand schedule and demand curve. Secondly, we looked at the difference between quantity demanded and demand. So that quantity demanded is being determined by change in price alone, apart from other factors that determine demand. Change in price is the only underlying factor that determines quantity demanded. Why we say that demand is the ability, we say that demand is what? The ability and the ability of a consumer to pay a particular price to a particular product within a particular point in time. That is what we call demand. Meanwhile, quantity demanded is the amount of product a consumer is willing and able to buy due to the change of price. That is what we have discussed today.